In this section I am going to tell you about how to make a helicopter. Okay. First of all, take a cardboard and cut it into 4 pieces. This side 1, this side 2, this side 3 and this side 4. Before attaching the cardboard with each other, you have to be careful about the hole inside upper side to make the fan movable. So put a DC motor inside the frame so that it could move the fan upside in a circular motion. Now motor has 2 terminals. Connect the wires, 2 wires to it. Take 4 volts battery and connect the data cable. 4 volt, this is the 4 volts battery, and connect the data cable of its 2 wires to the battery. This is the first wire and this is the second wire. Now you can charge the battery in the laptop. This is the data cable. So this is connected with the battery. You can plug into the laptop so that battery should get charged. Now one connection of the motor is given to the battery and then another connection is removed. Now look at the fan and make a front size something creative so that it should look like a helicopter, a toy helicopter. Now connect the another terminal to the 4 volts battery. The fan will move certainly. Thank you.